Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be joined by Dylan.
Hi.
We're gonna sit around and see who's playing out or something, but some people don't want to be in this because bad stuff can happen, but we think that's off true, so.
And Hugo's not here.
For 2 years, yeah, I think.
Because he's going back to Spain.
He might not be coming back. We don't know. If he does, that's great. Oh, the bike wobbly. Wanna go on it?
Please give us 100 likes or more.
We've only got 1 subscriber up to now because I started yesterday.
You subscribe to Hugo?
No. My cousin Mason.
And please give us some subscribes.
We've already got 2 views, but when we got 2 views, we haven't any subscribes. Nothing. Checking out all of your comments, see if you got any comments. Because in the last video we got none. Checked, I was excited, but
please leave some comments. Please,
yeah, leave some.
Leave the comment after the beep. Bleep.
Yeah, this is where I live.
It is a horrible state.
Yeah, it's a horrible state because it's full of buddies.
And trampy.
So I mostly go down the park. I'm going to get a new quad, aren't I? I'm going to get a new quad, I'm going to go there. He's going to be on it. That's going to be on my video. Yeah.
About 80-90 miles an hour.
Like when I've hit I don't know 100 subscribes, I was trying to do like an intro, like a slideshow.
We are trying to get more subscribes than Paige Mills.
With the 7 subscribes. If you want to check her channel out, it's Paige Mills XOX, but do not subscribe. Like, just joking.
Please do subscribe.
Subscribe to this channel, please. Pick on these.
And we're trying to get more subscribes than Ethan Wallace.
No, we're not. He should be in well more than all of us.
Why how much is he subscribed?
He's only got 4, but he should get more because he's doing like proper YouTube vids. Oh, this isn't an outside one. This is a game one. A gaming one. So there's someone behind you.
We're doing both, aren't we? Inside and outside.
What?
Aren't we doing inside and outside, but not often inside?
We're not often going to be inside because, yeah, it's summer and it's our 6-week holidays. I'm going to do some videos when I go to Spain on my holiday. I'm going to do the tour of my hotel. It's going to look nice. I'm going to see how that goes. And
it's just him.
Yeah, it's just going to be me and my family.
And I'll give you a tour of he'll give you a tour of their family. As well as the hotel. Bye.
No, it's not a bye yet. It's only been 3 minutes. Fuck it. I said fudge, just not, you know. Let's go through here. You go that way. That way.
Should we introduce these people?
No, let's go that way.
Okay. Excellent.
I think I know loads of stones. Follow me to 4 rocks. Well, Tie your lace, come on.
See over there?
It rocks. All kind of rocks. Don't know, 8.
8 is small.
I think 8, I don't know. He didn't know what time he was coming in anyway. Chicken or rock. I think that's a rock. Nope.
This used to be where the swings were, you know.
This used to be a good park, this.
I know.
Until he brought it all down.
Because everyone kept setting fire to it. How long's it been on it?
6 minutes. It goes up to 12.
Should we stop at 10 minutes?
No, 12.
Oh. The next video, we might be deciding what it's going to be on.
We might be thinking it's going to be inside or outside. We don't know what we mean like outside and inside. It's like inside my house or Dylan's house. Or inside, I don't know, I don't really know, someone else's house. And outside means like what we're doing now, outside. So Dylan's going to record me climbing this tree. See how this goes.
There he is, he's like a monkey. Ooh, 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 ah, ah. 7 minutes into this recording.
Already?
Yes. Please like and that. What? YouTube? Putting it on YouTube and climbing on the tree. Your language. There's his house over there. Oh, here he is. Oh!
And you know where?
And please like this. 8 minutes. Here is half of his mum's car.
And here's me climbing back down. I'm a monkey.
Pull your pants up.
Stop walking then.
No. Lucas.
What?
We are 8 minutes into it.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
We'll both stop at 12.
Yeah, that's how we
That's how we roll.
They didn't want to be in the video, but we still got them. Really?
Oh shit.
That's only one of you, so.
I hate myself there. Shall we look at nature next?
What?
Nature or something?
This video. Oh, what shall we call this video?
Here's the bird.
That should be it. Here's the bird.
Here's the bird. Here's the eagle.
Here's the bird.
Or mates messing around.
No, because there's only one mate.
Mate and mate are messing around.
That just sounds weird because I am the one who's doing the YouTube.
No. Lucas and mate messing around.
I got them in.
Who's the playing?
Got them in.
This is our second YouTube video, even though we just do random stuff.
Like trying to get...
You just should go on your trampoline and do the rest of the thingy.
No, because it won't be no point because it was only be 2 minutes, and plus we did the trampoline for the whole video last time. So where are you going?
Please like our video. The next one with a nice, we'll definitely just do one of us walking home. Or something. No, we're not going to do one of us walking home. Howdy. Should I have a look at my sisters, or should we do third video?
Fails. So we're gonna do fails in the next one.
Yeah.
I think they're climbing a tree.
Or should we do cars? I don't know why.
I don't know, so
Videos of cars.
So yeah guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. Thumbs up if you like, and subscribe please. And if you haven't heard of Jacksepticeye, please check his channel. He's fun. He doesn't even know who it is. Oh my god, you should start watching his videos. Bye.
Search up Cake Tay.